Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video, and today I'm going to build my Honda Magna. And today I want to pick out the engine, and then weld the frame, because there is a bit of a crack over there. I don't know if you can see that. But before we can take out the engine, we have to pull out the drive shaft, and therefore we need to remove the rear wheel and I don't know how it's called, like that thing we need to move. Okay, that bolt needs a little bit of grease. Okay, that was the drive shaft. Now I've put everything back together except for the drive shaft. Now we are going to loosen that two bolts, yeah, it's not needed because that big ass crack is over here, but never mind. And then I think we have the subframe all loosened, and we can take out the engine. the engine is out. I put the complete bike on its side because it is easier to weld. I've tack welded at one point, just a little bit. Now let's finish the rest of it. Okay, I have welded the frame. Yeah, I know, it's not that nice, but it's together, and I'm gonna clean it up tomorrow evening because it's a little bit late, and otherwise my neighbors going to be angry because of the noise. So that's it for tonight. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, it's a new day, and today we are going to cut off right this piece of the frame till I think here. This is all going away, and then we're going to weld a new piece of frame from here all the way to here and connect it onto here, and then it's gonna be a hardtail. So I'm gonna cut this one first, let this one sit, because yeah, otherwise I don't know the height exactly. So let's get to it. Okay guys, that's how it's going to be. Pretty nice, I think. Yes, let's weld it up. One half of the frame is welded, not completely around because I have to take out the rear tire, but I will do that when the other side is also complete. But for tonight I call it a night, so see you guys.